Oh, lady, oh! Like, what you doing? You seen us coming. You supposed to pause and stop. Pause and stop.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Somebody just flipped! Oh my god! Holy fuck. Fucking. Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost got hit! There's a psycho in a truck driving the wrong.
His regime is going to mean for that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is...
Down and only $99 weekly, and has safety features like lane change assist and autonomous braking. property to them. And do not consume it excessively and quickly, anticipating that they will grow up. And whoever, when acting as guardian, is self-sufficient, should refrain from taking a fee. And whoever is poor, let him take according to what is reasonable. Then when you release their property to them, bring witnesses upon them, and sufficient is Allah as accountant.
للرجال نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون وللنساء نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون.
Any taxes in the mail? Or is Taco Bell going to be one of those wait till 31st to send it out? So if that's the case, we're not going to get that shit till the 7th or something. Babe. Oh my fucking god! Like, what the fuck? Ah! I just got hit.